Hi everyone and welcome back to Homehead Chef. Today we're making garlic and herb grilled corn on the cob. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do my favorite way to do grilled corn on the cob. Keith Harrelson suggested that we do a grilled corn on the cob recipe and you are the winner of the giveaway. So I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to be growing it in the husk. We're going to make a beautiful compound butter with garlic and herb and we're going to baste it in it when the corn's just about done and top it with some Parmesan cheese. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. Now for this recipe we're going to need 4 ears of corn on the cob, 1 stick of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon of chives, 1 tablespoon of parsley, and 1 tablespoon of oregano. To get started, we're going to take our butter, our garlic, and herbs. We're going to mix them together. And we're going to let this sit for at least a half an hour. An hour is when it's the best. Just going to let those flavors develop. Just give it a mix. That looks good, just like that. Now this can really go on just about anything that you want. So we're gonna let this sit and marinate for a little bit, and we're gonna get the corn on the grill. We have our grill on a medium heat. We're gonna throw the corn on the side that doesn't have the charcoal on it. We're gonna let it go for about 15 minutes. We're gonna turn it every 5, and then we're gonna come back and check on it. I'll see you then. All right, we've been turning our corn every 5 minutes. It's been about 15 minutes. The corn's nice and soft. Now we're gonna peel back the husk and the silk. We're gonna get a little bit of char on it. We're gonna go straight on to the grates. We're gonna baste it with our garlic and herb butter. Now that the husk is peeled back, we're just gonna baste it with our garlic and herb butter, just like this. So you can give it a couple minutes just to get some char on it, to add another depth of flavor. Then we're gonna head inside. To finish this up, you want to sprinkle on the Parmesan cheese. It complements the garlic and herbs very well. You get the sweetness of the corn and it makes an excellent side dish. Again, I want to thank everyone for entering the giveaway. We will be doing another one soon. Keith, I will be getting a hold of you very shortly to get you that Amazon gift card. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram at HomeHeadChef. Check out our Patreon account and join our kitchen team and help support the channel. Thanks for stopping in, and we'll see you next time.